Here is our newest project.
Might work better with a little bit of gas. Alright guys, this is what we're going to be working on today. This is my neighbors. They just asked for a spring tune-up on this thing. So before we really get into that, I just want to kind of give you guys a couple updates on kind of what's been going on. First off, you've heard all about this by now, coronavirus or COVID-19. I don't really know what to tell you about that. You don't need to stockpile toilet paper. Stores are probably going to stay open unless you're quarantined, and if you're quarantined, then I just don't know what to tell you. As a lot of you already know, probably I live in Utah, and Utah just had an earthquake the other day. It was a 5.7 magnitude, so that was interesting. Yeah, I survived that. I'm fine, my family's fine, everything I own is fine, I think. That's why all these are on the floor right here, because after the main earthquake, just in case we had another big aftershock or something, I moved them all down off the shelf so they wouldn't get damaged if they fell. So we're just going to go right ahead and probably start with an oil change on this. So that is it for today, guys. I know it was really short. As you know, the coronavirus, like I said, is kind of, going everywhere. So I can't really go out and buy parts for anything right now. So I'm trying to do what I can to make videos. I'm going to leave this out here for the rest of this to dry, and then I will take it back over to my neighbor. I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time.